Here we have one of our hinged opening flat roof lights, which is made for flat roofs pitched up to 15 degrees. The roof light comes triple glazed as standard, achieving a standard UG value of 0.6. The glazing unit in standard form consists of 3 layers of 6mm toughened glass with two 16mm argon filled cavities. You can add tints to this to further reduce the glare and UV from sunlight. You also have the option of solar controlled glazing, acoustic and secure laminates, and we can assist you with coming up with a solution that best suits your needs. As with all of our range, the aluminium frames of the flat hinged opening roof light are powder coated to a marine grade as standard, making them suitable for coastal locations and offering peace of mind that the roof light will withstand the harshest of weather conditions. You have a choice of black or anthracite grey frame colours. We also apply a matching painted border to the glass to give great aesthetics and to protect the seals from UV damage over time. Operation of the roof light is electronic, and the unit opens via concealed chain actuators, which are completely hidden within the frame of the roof light. Opening sizes can vary dependent on size, but in most cases up to 400mm can be achieved. This is great for ventilation and makes this perfect for bathrooms or kitchen areas to disperse steam and cooking smells. The roof light in standard form is controlled via a wall-mounted rocker switch, which can be upgraded to a remote-controlled operation with rain sensor. We can also provide a rocker switch for the latter option if you have fear of misplacing the remotes but still have the requirement for a rain sensor. The hinged opening flat roof light is designed to go onto a pre-weatherproof timber curb, meaning that you can have your roofing membrane completed before you install the roof light. All flat roof lights also require a minimum installed angle of 5 degrees to allow water runoff. If your roof isn't already sufficiently pitched, this can be achieved by using an angled timber wedge. We can also supply insulated and angled timber curbs to save you the hassle of creating one yourself. Remote controlled blinds made with blackout fabric are available in all sizes in the flat hinged opening roof light range. These are a great addition for areas that might require privacy and gives you the option to shut out sunlight if required. Choices of colour are black or white. When blinds haven't been included, you will plasterboard over the inside frame, so when viewed from below, you will achieve a minimal frameless appearance when looking up at the roof light.